All right, welcome to Tech Edify. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can send a whole folder through mail. Now, it happens that maybe you have a document or you have some files that you want to send the whole folder through your mail and send it to someone. Now, one thing is that if you are sending a mail and then you have a folder, there is no way that you can send the whole folder through the mail. So here, how do you send a whole folder? Now, look at this folder. You could see we have a lot of information and I want to send the whole folder to someone. So let me just open my mail. So this is my Gmail. So when you open your Gmail, you go to the compose. So here you have to put in where you are sending the mail to and then your subject of your mail, maybe document. All right, so here, how do we attach the file? Now we want to attach a whole folder. So here, when you tap over here, so when you tap on the file icon, now let's go to the desktop. That is where we have our folder. So this is our folder. So this is what I want to send, but I can't attach this because it's a folder. So the easiest way that you can do that is that when you right click on the folder, then you come to send to, and the send to, you choose compress as zip folder. Now zip folder will make your whole document or your folder as a single file. Now watch something here. So you could see that our folder has been converted to a zip folder. Zip folder means every content in it has been zipped and that I can attach it. So I can select this and then open it. And the moment you say open, is attaching the whole folder. So with this one, I can send it to the person, and now when the person download it, they will be able to retrieve all the informations from that. So that is an easiest way that you can attach a folder to a mail and send. So let me know in the comment section if you have any issue. I'll be there to help you. Please don't forget to share this video if it has been helpful to you, and also don't forget to give it a thumb up and then subscribe to this channel if today happens to be your first time. Now keep watching another video of mine. See you in the next video. Bye bye.